Thanks to our friends at The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Rive to receive the top 10 stocks to buy right now. Tesla has been talking about the 4680 battery for about 3 years now, but we just got news that that is going to be delayed likely well into 2024. That could have an impact on the launch of the Cybertruck and the cost effectiveness of Tesla's vehicles. But I think the bigger competitive question here is whether the battery is going to be a competitive advantage at all for Tesla. So that's what I want to dig into today. My name is Travis William. Thanks for watching Rive Investing. Please subscribe here on YouTube for all my content. And let's check out the report from Reuters. Reuters reported this week that Panasonic is delaying production of the 4680 batteries to improve performance. You can see that volume production was supposed to start about now, but that's being pushed back to between April and September in 2024. Now, Tesla is already producing some cells in its Texas facility, but that ramp has gone a lot slower than a lot of people expected. So Tesla is leaning on a lot of its battery suppliers, including Panasonic and now LG Chem and BYD, to ramp up production not only of the older technology, but also of these 4680 cells. And it seems like that's just more difficult than a lot of people expected. And remember, these EVs are now at a larger scale than we've seen before. So production needs to be really dialed in. And that looks like it's going to be pushed well into 2024. The one thing that I thought was interesting is that this is going to allow some other competitors to potentially catch up. LG Energy Solutions, who works with General Motors, is also producing a 4680 battery. And they said they'd start production this year. We haven't gotten an update from that. But if they do, that could allow some competitors like GM to potentially move into the 4680 space, because we know that GM is actually switching its technology from a flat battery pack, that was what the Ultium technology was built on, to the cylindrical batteries like 4680. And LG Energy is going to be one of the suppliers there. So basically, this is going to be the next generation commodity cell. I think that's the way to think about this. So this could potentially delay some advances that we've been expecting from Tesla for quite a while now, particularly for the Cybertruck. But I think with all of the companies that are involved in building 4680 cells, what this is going to do is really commoditize the battery space for all of these companies. And that's something that we've seen across the energy space for decades now. I don't think there's any reason to think that this is going to be any different strategically in the electric vehicle space. There are a lot of companies around the world building 4680 cells. It's not just Tesla. And now it looks like some other competitors are going to be coming to market potentially at the same time that Tesla is really able to ramp their own production. So the caution here is that sometimes these technology pieces are not really a competitive advantage for a company. I know that Tesla has been talking about these batteries, the better density, the lower cost structure that it will bring to their vehicles for a couple of years now, but it looks like a lot of those advantages are going to be coming to competitors. That includes GM, Chinese competitors. We also know that Volkswagen is expanding its own battery production facilities. So there continues to be more competition in the battery space as the market gets bigger and as technology improves. That shouldn't be a big surprise. We saw a similar dynamic in batteries for laptops and smartphones, and now we're going to see similar dynamic play out in the EV space. So it looks like 4680 is going to be delayed, but it's probably going to be coming to a lot of different vehicles in 2024 and 2025. That's what I would take away from this announcement. But let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to follow Rive Investing. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you here next time.